If the number of likes your photos get is deciding what you shoot next, you might be developing your social media skills, but are you developing your photography? Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. So here's something worth remembering against the constant scroll of social media. The old masters weren't checking their engagement statistics. They were quietly building bodies of work over time. Because shooting for likes is a very unstable foundation for your photography. Algorithms change, trends shift, attention moves on, and what gets applause this week can be quickly forgotten next week. The danger is you start asking, is this post worthy? Instead of, is this actually meaningful to me? But when you shoot for your own curiosity, your own development, and your own standards, you stop chasing approval and start building something far more valuable. Skill, taste, confidence, and ultimately, your own photographic voice. Here's the bit worth remembering. Likes are just a reaction. Craft is a long-term relationship. One depends on other people. The other depends on you. And the irony is, when you stop trying to please everyone, your photography often becomes stronger because it starts to look and feel more like yours. I go much deeper into developing your own photographic style in episode 11 of the Ultimate Checklist series here. And if you want to keep learning and growing with other photographers, come and join us in our Photography Foundations community. So let the algorithm do what it does. We have absolutely no control over it. And instead, focus on building photography that really means something to you. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.